Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Sentinel WMS software. This tutorial will cover creating systems and adding satellite controllers to your software. Let's begin by understanding the difference between a system and a satellite. Satellites represent individual Sentinel controllers. They are identified by a unique 3-digit code. This code must be entered first in the field unit controller from the faceplate. Once this is done, satellites are added to the Sentinel software. Systems are created to define groups of controllers. For instance, on a college campus, you might have a system for athletic fields and another for general campus grounds. In this example, we have a single satellite controller with a unit number of 001. Another controller is installed in the field and added into the Sentinel software as unit 002. Then perhaps additional controllers are added later. The group of controllers that can be collectively controlled by creating a system called campus controllers. In Sentinel WMS software, I can create systems and add satellite controllers from the Manage button on the top line of the software screen. From this button, 3 windows appear. The window on the left is for creating systems. The far right window lets me add satellite controllers, and the middle window links controllers to specific systems. In this example, I already have several controllers created, but want to add an additional one to my list. I also want to create a new system and link several controllers to this new system. Let's add a new controller to my software. It will have a unit code of 104. I select the green button on top of the right window of the Manage screen and type in the number 104. This unit code number matches what I've already input in the satellite controller in the field. The controller will be described as Campus Controller 4. I hit Enter or select OK with my mouse, and it's now in my master list of controllers on the right window. Next, I'll create a new system. The system name will be called Campus Controllers. This will let me group all of my specific field satellite controllers to this system. I select the green button again, this time above the window in the Systems box on the left side of the screen, and type in Campus Controllers. Again, I hit Enter or select OK with my mouse, and now my system name is in the left box in my Manage screen. Satellite controllers are grouped to a system by highlighting the system that I want, then moving the desired controllers from the right window to the middle window of the Manage screen. I can do this one controller at a time. I take the top button, point it to the middle window of the Manage screen, and that moves those particular controllers into and associates it with that system. I can remove a specific controller from that system by selecting the second button where the arrows point away from the middle box, and it removes it from that system. All controllers can be added to a system by using the third button. Removing all controllers from a system would be the fourth and lowest button in the Manage screen. After linking satellite controllers to a system, I can then control all of my campus controllers from one command instead of going to each individual controller. Satellite controllers can be in more than one system, so I can have one that is specific to an area and also included in a system for the entire site. After adding controllers or creating systems, simply close the Manage screen. It will automatically save any changes made. From my 3 selection tabs on the left side of my Sentinel software screen, I can view and select any satellite controller or select one of the systems I created. If I select an individual controller, whatever command I do only affects that single controller. When I do this from one of the systems in my software, it affects all controllers linked to this system. In the next tutorial, we will discuss how to set up and confirm communication to the satellite controller in the field from the Sentinel WMS software. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.